fuck are you doing? Dad?
It's Xbox.
You're not touching this. You're not.
Get away, put it back.
What are you gonna chainsaw me? What are you? Dad! 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 Dad!
Here you cut through a
Dad!
plastic thing.
There's plastic everywhere! Get the fuck out of here! You think that's funny? Do you think that's funny? I don't know. He's sawing it up. What the fuck's he doing? Dad!
You know the way.
Dad!
Oh, shit.
Dad!
Holy shit!
Ah!
Game.
God! Why? Fuck!
Holy
Violent
shit!
video game.
Holy shit!
Master Chief! Master Chief Collection! It's the only way I'm gonna learn!
You can't take it. No, but I was with violence.
That's because I have to because you buy it behind my back.
You taught him how to play video games.